This is AQA A-Level Chemistry. It's a multiple choice question on the topic of bonding. Pause it, have a go, and then review. So we're looking at which of these molecules does not have a permanent dipole. And I'm going to draw them out so that we can see this a bit more clearly. You don't need to do that in the exam, but it's going to help us to explain it here. What I'm also going to add to this is not standard notation for electronegativity, but we know that bromine is more electronegative than carbon. We also know carbon and hydrogen electronegativities are very similar, to the point that hydrocarbons only form van der Waals forces. But if I show the direction in which electrons are attracted in the dipole or in the bonds where there's a difference in electronegativity, you can see here there is definitely a dipole. This bromine in A would be delta negative and the carbon would be delta positive. In the second one, both of these bromines would be delta negative, leaving a delta positive carbon. And in the third example for C, we would have all of these BRs would have a delta negative value and the carbon would be delta positive. The key to answering a question like this is essentially in symmetry, because if I have got 4 bromines that are all equidistant from each other, all equal bond angles, and all of them pulling equally on the electrons in their covalent bonds, the net effect is that we don't get a dipole. So the correct answer is D.